Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be going over my top 5 most underrated handbags in my collection. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have like a top 5 ranking type video. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, hi, hello. Today I wanted to do this video because I have 5 bags in my collection. Technically I have more than 5 that I feel like fall under this category, but I wanted to do a top 5 for this video. So this is going to be like my top 5 handbags that should get more love, that I feel like are underrated in my collection, that I feel like I don't use as much as I should, that are fantastic handbags, and that I think that if you are thinking about buying this handbag, you should totally go for it because you will not be disappointed. But for some reason, I just don't reach for them as often as I should. The number 5 spot on this list is going to be like the bag that I do want to start using more, but it's not the most underrated bag. The number 1 bag that I'm going to show today is like my most underrated bag, and I should totally use it more and give it the love it deserves, but for some reason it just doesn't get that. So we're going to start off first with number 5. In the number 5 spot is actually a bag that's pretty new to me, but I haven't worn it yet, so this is kind of like a video to tell myself, hey, you need to start wearing this bag because it's so fun. But if you remember, I did an unboxing of the Opy Nirvana bag a few videos ago. They kindly sent this over to me, not sponsored or anything, but they did send it to me, and I haven't worn it yet. I know that it's been super viral, and I know our mother, Taylor Swift, wore this handbag, so it's become very, very popular, and I love it. I absolutely love the shape. I think it is so fun. It definitely reminds me of the Row like half moon bag. It gives me that type of vibe, but for some reason I just have not worn this. I think it's because I've gotten a few other handbags as of late. There's one that I received that I haven't even showed you yet that will be unboxing coming soon, but if you watch my vlogs, then it'll be out. So stay tuned for the vlog. Yeah, I just got a few handbags in the mail these past few months that I have been really excited to wear. So this one just has not been on the roster, unfortunately, but I do really want to get to this one because it's so fun. Also, the color is a bit more on the fall side, in my opinion. So I think that I will definitely get a little more wear out of this in maybe fall or winter, probably fall. This is a pretty fall bag. So that is also why I'm not wearing it. And right now it's still spring. So this is not a spring bag, but I do absolutely love this bag. I think that it is so fun. It's so unique. I love like the braided top handle situation, and I love this half moon shape and the zipper. I've never felt a more smooth zipper on any handbag. Like even like my Louis Vuitton, my Gucci, literally anything. This is the smoothest zipper that I have felt on any handbag that I have owned so far. It's crazy. I did do an unboxing of this bag. I will link it down in the description if you want to see that, to where I go over like all the dimensions, what fits inside, the pricing and all of that good stuff. But yeah, the number 4 bag on this list is going to be one that I again really want to wear more, and I'm bummed that I don't wear it as much as I should, but it is my Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size. I think the only reason that I don't wear this as much is because I definitely think that it is more of a fall winter bag. With it being the Pillow Tabby and with it being the 26 size and with it being black, I think that this really holds better in the fall winter. It's big as well, so like normally, in my opinion, I tend to wear bigger bags in the fall winter. I might be carrying a few more things like to keep warm, a beanie, gloves, hand warmers, stuff like that. So I would need a bigger bag in the fall winter time. In spring summer, I'm carrying relatively small handbags. So I am not wearing this very much right now because we're in spring summer, but I absolutely love this bag, and I think the Coach Tabby bags and the Pillow Tabby in particular are so fun. So if you have been like trying to decide on if you should get one of these bags, I think absolutely go for it. I would probably wait for a sale because this does retail for $550, and I got this on Zappos for like half that price. It was like the same price as the 18 size bag. So I would totally wait for a sale, maybe even Amazon Prime Day. Here is the inside. I've done a full review on this bag as well, and I'll have that linked in the description for you. It does come with a crossbody strap, of course, and overall I think it's a fantastic bag. I just don't get as much wear out of this bag as I would like, and I definitely want to fix that this year because this bag is amazing. It's full on Napa leather. It is such a good quality handbag. I've had this one for about, has it been 2 years? Maybe a year and a half, going on 2 years. I've had this bag for quite some time. It is one of the older handbags in my collection. The number 3 spot on this list is a bag that I am just like, I don't know why I don't reach for it. I swear it's one of the best bags that I own technically. I just don't ever reach for this bag. I just think as of recently, these past few months, I just haven't been gravitating towards tote bags. And this is my Marc Jacobs small tote bag. It's supposed to be the medium or the mini size, but they changed the sizes. So this used to be the mini size, and now I think it's the small. I love this bag. I remember getting this bag. I wore it so much. I got it at the beginning of last year, and I wore this bag so much. I just don't know why I've stopped wearing it as often. I have worn it like here and there to like go to Target or like go to Publix or something, but I haven't worn it really out much. And I don't know why. I think it's because I'm obsessed with my Celine Ava bag and I'm obsessed with my mini Jody. But this bag also needs some love because she is one of the most versatile bags that I have in my collection. This is a fantastic handbag if you're someone that goes into the office. If you have a lot to carry around, this would be a great mom bag as well because it's very spacious. It's leather, so you're not gonna have to worry about it getting like dirty, or even if you have a child and they get something on it, you can just wipe it off. It's not a big deal. It's a very, very sturdy, resilient handbag. And I guess I also don't wear it as much because I am kind of saving it for when I do have a kid. I would definitely wear this once I have a kid and if I need to carry a lot of stuff with me. So I think subconsciously I'm kind of just saving it for when I'm a mom and I need to carry all of the things with me. And I'm not carrying it right now because I don't want to ruin it. Which I know I just said that it's very resilient, but also I'm afraid to hurt it because I don't want to have to buy another one if I mess this one up, because I do think that this one would be a fantastic mom bag. And also, again, if you're someone that goes into the office, your Kindle, this could fit an iPad mini, a couple of books in there. It would fit your planner, like if you have an agenda, something along those lines, it would totally fit in here as well, as long as it's not like massive or something. But I have my coin purse in here as well. This bag just fits so many things. It's a shame that I don't use this as much, but I do think that I will get a lot more use out of this bag when I become a mom and when I need to start carrying all the diaper products and all the stuff with me at all times. So yeah, the Marc Jacobs tote bag is my number 3 underrated bag. Number 2 on this list is genuinely like, I'm angry with myself because I love this bag and I think it is comparatively one of the best bags in my entire collection. This is just out of pure laziness, if I'm being honest, because I could very well take this bag everywhere. It is an everyday handbag. It's just I choose other bags over it, and that is a me problem. But it's my Songmont Luna bag. I absolutely love this bag. I think it's a fantastic handbag. If you're someone that needs like one singular handbag and it will take you from the office to running errands all the way down to going out with friends or going to like a bar or like an event or something like that, this bag turns into like 3 or 4 other handbags. It's crazy. So you have this one right here. Of course, I've done videos all about the Songmont Luna bag if you're interested. But yeah, it goes from that, and then you can take this little part off, and then you can turn it into this little dumpling shape, and you can take this out on the town, like evening, kind of formal, more special type of handbag. And then you can take this and put it underneath here and have this super cool kind of editorial, avant-garde kind of situation bag, and it just looks so fun and so cool. This bag also has a crossbody strap, so you can carry it crossbody. You just take off this strap and then the crossbody strap is right here and you just attach it. So like I said, if you were at work at your 9 to 5, this like this would be a fantastic work bag. It's so chic and simple, and there's not a lot of logo in your face, but it is still so elegant. And then once you're off work, let's say you need to go run errands, you need to go get groceries, you just take off this and slap on the crossbody strap. There you go. And then let's say your friend wants to meet for drinks afterwards or something, then you can turn it into the dumpling shape. This bag is amazing, and I just don't wear it because I'm lazy. This is by Songmont, by the way, and Songmont has like been blowing up over these past few years, and I'm so happy for them because they really do deserve all of the recognition that they're getting. Luna bag. Yeah, they have so many colors now. Oh my goodness. So this bag does retail for $349, which I think is a fantastic price for basically like a 4-in-1 handbag. So I will have Songmont's link in the description if you want to check this out. Again, none of this video is sponsored or anything. I just genuinely love this handbag, and I feel bad that I don't wear it as much as I should. Best value for money as well, and I need to just tell myself I'm gonna start wearing this bag again because I just can't. I can't like just not wear it. It's a waste, and I feel like it just doesn't do this bag justice. So justice for the Songmont Luna bag. This is my number 2 in my most underrated handbags. Definitely need to start wearing this one again. And you guys, my number 1 in this spot, I feel like this bag, again, should be worn every single day. I have no excuse, and this one is my first like actual luxury bag in this video. All the other ones have been very much like a mid-range kind of contemporary bags, which I absolutely love. But this is a luxury handbag, and I have no excuse for not wearing this bag as often because it's amazing. And it's my Gucci Ophidia. This is the Gucci Ophidia, like the small GG shoulder bag. This came out in 2022, I believe. And this was a limited edition one because it does still have the little strawberry charm on the front. They do still do this style, but they don't have the little strawberry, and this little tassel is different. And maybe this chain is different as well. But guys, this bag is incredible. I love this bag. It's just, I don't know what it is. I feel like I wear my Nano Speedy over this bag. Like if I know that I'm not going, you know, really anywhere exciting, if I'm just going to run errands, in theory, I should be wearing one of the mid-range bags that I showed you earlier. But if I am gonna be wearing like a more luxury bag, then I usually just grab my Speedy because I love the Nano Speedy so much. But this bag gets neglected. However, I did wear this bag an absolute shit ton in Italy last year. Like it was one of my everyday handbags for about 2 months. So she did get a lot of wear towards the end of last year, so I am very happy with that. But just this year, we're in May, and I have not worn her one time. I have not worn her one time. She's been sitting on my shelf for the entirety of the year so far, and I haven't picked her up. And that, if you ask me, is neglect. I love it. I think it's such a versatile bag. It has this beautiful little chain top handle that can come off. Well, it's also a shoulder strap, but it can come off. So you can attach whatever strap you want to this bag, be that a leather strap that you bought from Etsy or whatever kind of strap that you like. It also comes with the crossbody strap as well, so you can wear a crossbody, very versatile. It is the Gucci like canvas, so it is like basically indestructible, to be honest. I did carry this with me to Italy because I knew it was like indestructible, and I wanted to make sure that I carried a bag that would, you know, stand the test of time and wouldn't get damaged while I was in Italy. And this one really held up and did just an amazing job. But I need to start wearing this bag again. I feel sad that I haven't worn her as often as I should. Again, I think it's because I either lean towards my Celine Ava Triumph bag or my Nano Speedy. I just love those two bags. In the next few months, I'm gonna come back and tell you that I have worn this bag a lot. I really hope so because I'm putting it out on the internet, and that means I like need to do it. But yeah, absolutely adore and love this bag. If you have been like interested in this style, I would totally go for it. It's so cute, so Y2K. like so easy just to throw on and go, and I'm just obsessed. Oh my god, it's the cutest little thing. I don't know why I don't wear it as much as I should, but that's my number one. So yeah, you guys, that has been my video today of my top 5 most underrated handbags in my collection. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know what you thought of all the bags that I showed in today's video. Do you have any of these bags as well? What do you think of them? Are you getting a lot of wear? Are you not wearing them as much? Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!